all of you to the 11th edition of the India Digital Awards. My name is Kavya R. Chavali. I'm truly excited that all of you will be joining us to be a part of this fabulous evening here. All right, so I do notice that all of you are joining in one after the other, to witness this beautiful evening. So here's what we're going to do. Let me also set the tone for what's in store for all of you, and then let's take it forward in a fun, frolic manner. So first up, let me inform you, I'm actually hosting this show from my home studio. Absolutely safe, being healthy. So I do hope the same is the scenario at all of your end. You're all safe and healthy as well. Now, founded in the year 2009, with the aim to celebrate organizations, teams, and practitioners who have surpassed landmarks and delivered successful business outcomes using digital as a medium, India Digital Awards actually aims at celebrating all these organizations and individuals. So yes, before we march ahead, let me also inform you all that we will be taking a good look at what are the categories for the evening. We'll also take a good look at our jury members who will be joining us in the form of, sharing their views. And let's also find out what really went behind, in selecting all these winners. But first up, let me quickly take you through what are the categories as well. Let's take a look at the categories for all of you that we have in store for this evening. Now, we have the 8 main categories, which Digital Advertising Awards, the Digital Content Awards, Social Media Awards, Digital Social and Economic Empowerment Awards, Mobile and App Awards, Payment and FinTech Awards, Technology Awards, and of course, the Special Awards. Okay, great. So looks like I've set the tone for what's in store for the evening. I'm going to request you all of you who are at the comfort of your homes to sit back, relax, and enjoy the program. Because let me promise you that while this program is all about rewards, recognition, and celebrations, we decided to make it fun as well. It's not just going to be me sitting here and making the announcements, because this evening I'm also joined by someone who's been rated by CNN-IBN as one of the top 20 comedians of India. In fact, I've been a huge fan of his conversational style of comedy, and I can't help but to exclaim that I'll be honored and delighted to have him as my co-host for the evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly bring on the main screen none other than Angad Singh Ranyal.
Thank you so much, Kavya, for that wonderful introduction. When generally people say they were one of the top 20, it means they were 20th. That's the truth, guys. Let's accept it. But there was a slight update to the introduction. Last month, actually, I was rated as one of the top 3 stand-up comedians in India. Yes, I can hear the applause. I hope everybody is applauding for me. This rating was by my mother. She was completely honest, guys. She kept me in the top 3. But what a unprecedented year we had, like 2020. Even though everybody says that they want to forget that year, we just can't. Like the first time the lockdown was announced, my family was actually excited. We were like, oh, we'll get to spend time with each other. And then 2 hours later, we realized that we have to wash the utensils. And within 24 hours, we realized that we don't need a 2 BHK. A 1-room kitchen is enough. I'm not kidding. By April end, we started eating straight from the kadai. We were like, because it will ensure there are less utensils to wash, right? And we spent so much time on digital mediums because that was the only comfort that existed. We could see there's a world outside, though we couldn't go to that world. And accordingly, the digital ecosystem had to evolve as well. We had the age-old questions of how to break the clutter, of how to stand out, of how to reach the maximum number of people with spending the least amount of money. And all of this had to be done with your entire staff being at home, where people not realizing that they were on mute for 15 minutes during a presentation, with probably people being like, abhi bachche ko khana khilana hai, kya ye conference call 20 minute baat ho sakti hai. So first of all, a round of applause to all the nominees today. Because I believe you didn't let 2020 conquer you. Instead, you conquered 2020. And on that amazing line, which I thought, and I have no way of knowing whether you felt it was amazing or not, we should start today's award night by introducing you, first of all, to all the jury members. So can we have all the jury members, please? Yes. Yes. So a round of applause to Mr. Abhijit Sehgal from OnePay, Arnab Mitra from Liquid Asia, Ayan Biswas from PNB MetLife India Insurance, Brijesh Munyal from Ethinos Digital Marketing, Dinesh Swami from BC WebWise, Harish Kurudi from Aegon Life Insurance, Himanshu Arya from Grapes Digital, KT Prasad from Zendex, Lavin Punjabi from Affinity Global Advertising, Milind Karkar from ACI Worldwide, Mukesh Thakur from Ugro Capital, Neha Kulwal from Admit Ad, Nikhil Kumar from Affle, Nikhil Rangda from Verizon Media, Niraj Ruparal from GroupM, Pankaj Parihar from Godrej Consumer Products, Parul Bhargava from V Commission, Puneet Singhvi from Network 18, Rajiv Malik from Mahindra Group, Rajesh Desai from Lyra, Rakesh Kumar from UiPath, Ravi Sundarajan from Gupshup Technology India, Ricky Agarwal from Bring Digital, Rohit Dosai from InMobi, sorry, Rubina Singh from iProspect, Santosh Velecha from Netcore, Shifali Khalsa from SBI General Insurance, Shubhranshu Singh from Royal Enfield, Soumya Iyer from DVO Digital, Shri Raman Thiarajan from Avaz.com, and Shrirath Muredi from Value Leaf, Suhani Arora from JioSavan, Sundar Madhukshira from Adobe, Shweta Agarwal from State Bank of India, Tabrez Ahmed from Dell, Vikas Goyal from DGTG, and finally Vishal Kamath from Nielsen. So a big round of applause to all the jury members to helping us in the selection process. And I'd like to hand back to Kavya to introduce us to the grand jury.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Angad. In fact, very beautifully said. While we had our jury members, we also had the grand jury. So let me also go ahead and introduce who our grand jury were. Here we go. We had Abhinav Khare of Asianet News Network, Ali Hussain from Eros Now, Apala Lahiri Chavan, who's from Human Factors International, Bimal Reba from Trell, Dinesh Agarwal from India Mart, Milan Sheikh from Automation Anywhere, Mohit Joshi from Havas Media Group. The grand jury also consisted of Naved Ashraf, MoneyGram International, Neena Das Gupta, Zerka Digital Solutions, Pranay Zaveri from Euronet Services, Prasad Shejale from LogicServe Digital, Rajesh Magao of Make My Trip, Sandeep Chibar of FIS Payment Solutions, and Shantanu Sirohi, Interactive Avenues. Let me also continue with our stalwart grand jury that consisted of Shashidhar Bhatt of FinServe Markets, Tyagarajan Seshadri, Electronic Payments and Services, EPS, Tushar Vyas of Group M, Vinay Kumar of Microsoft, Virender Bish from Neo Solutions, Vish Bajaj, Value First, Vivek Bhargava, Tensor Aegis Network. All right, so on that note, ladies and gentlemen, all our attendees who have joined us in, with that, it looks like it's actually now time to get the proceedings started. And I think I'm going to hand it back to Angad to kickstart the proceedings. Over to you, Angad. Here we go.
Yes, thank you, Kavya. So we have our first special award. And the award actually is for the Digital Person of the Year. And the award goes to Mr. Sanjeev Bikhchandani from Info Edge. I would please request Mr. Sanjeev to switch on his camera and his audio and actually address the audience. A big congrats, Mr. Sanjeev.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Angad. Thanks, Kavya. Thanks to IMAI and all the members of the jury who thought me fit for this award. Look, it's been a rough year for everyone because of COVID. I think it's been uncertain. I think some of us may have actually lost colleagues or even family members. I think, first of all, we must acknowledge that loss and we must condole that loss. And we must all stay safe. We ourselves, for example, have not yet opened our office. We are working from home. We are fortunate that we are running a kind of business where we can operate from home and still function. The good news is that business is coming back, and quarter one was, of course, very, very bad for most people because of lockdown. But after that, most businesses are coming back, including ours, and it's now looking that growth will come back too. So I'd like to wish, thank the jury. I'd like to wish everyone who's listening in all the very best, in dealing with COVID. Stay safe. And I'd also like to say that while I'm getting the award, it really is an acknowledgement of everyone in the company who's working there, all of my colleagues, and all of our shareholders who are reposing faith in us, the investors who invested in us, and all of my colleagues who may have been with us earlier but have left, but over the last 23 years since Naukri was launched, have helped build this company. So we are here because of everyone, and I might come up to get the award, but really this is everyone's effort. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you very much, sir, and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the very pioneering Mr. Sanjeev Bikhchandani of Info Edge winning in the prestigious category of the Digital Person of the Year. And I think very rightly said, having shared the ground reality of how 2020 changed the way we all pivoted as individuals and as enterprises. So on that note, let's now march ahead and move on to our next special award of the evening. And it's time to take a look at Digital Startup of the Year. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Digital Startup of the Year and the award goes to Khatabook. Well, firstly, congratulations to Khatabook. In fact, this evening, we are joined by the founder of Khatabook.com, Ravish Naresh. So if I may please invite Mr. Ravish to please join us. Congratulations, and over to you, sir.
Kavya, thank you. I am for honoring us with the Digital Startup of the Year award. So early on, within 2 years of our journey. This recognition humbles us. We have had a rough year, like as sir also said. But we've tried to innovate for the sector and tried to bring in new solutions. We have a very long road ahead, in terms of digitizing Bharat. But this encouragement really energizes us, and on behalf of the entire Khatabook team, I'd really like to thank IMI for honoring us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Naresh, and big congratulations to you and your entire team. Moving ahead, our next category is for the Digital Agency of the Year. And in this category, we'll be giving out 3 awards. So the Bronze Award actually goes to What Consult, and we have, I think, Sahil Shah from What Consult who will be joining us. Is he there?
Hey guys, hello. Can you hear me?
Sahil, can you switch on your camera, please?
I'm just allowing the camera, but for some reason, just give me one moment.
Okay, sure.
I'll just.
This year, I think the awards have gone truly digital. So when you go truly digital, you face certain problems, small hiccups. I think. Is he back?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, you are unable to switch on the camera. It's fine. You can, I think, address the audience as it is.
Okay, Angad. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Yes, go on, please.
Thank you so much, guys. This is really awesome. In fact, IMAI is a body that we've always recognized and always made sure that we submit every year. It's really humbling to be winning at such a forum. So this is a great feat for us, and I'm sure people at the back of the agency will be very proud and happy to know that we won this. So thank you so much, jury, and thank you so much, everybody, for recognizing it for us.
Mighty congratulations once again to you, Sahil, and to the entire team of What Consult. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's so interesting to see, Angad, that, when everything is digital, especially in a virtual avatar, people can log in or join in from anywhere. And I think that kind of scope is amazing to see.
And they could be wearing anything. I think that's an interesting scope as well.
The truth. Well, on that note, after sharing across the bronze winner, it's of course time to also share across the silver winner in this category. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's find out our silver winner in the Digital Agency of the Year. And the silver winner is Connect. So let's also invite on stage, rather on the screen, we have Rohan Mehta, who's the CEO of Connect, joining us. And congratulations to you and to the team. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Kavya. Thanks, Angad. Thanks to the Ministry of IMAI for selecting us for winning the Silver Award this year. 2020 was a really tough year, and I'm sure it'll be etched in all our memories. So winning this award this year is very exciting but humbling at the same time. I think this speaks volumes about our team, which has worked harder than ever to find great solutions for our clients and their businesses. We really value the trust that our clients put in us to allow us to do such work and to continue forwarding their businesses, because our only reason to exist is to push their business forward. And we hope to keep our heads down, focus on our work, and continue delivering on our word for future years to come. So thanks so much, guys.
Very well said, Mr. Rohan. A big congratulations to you and your team. Moving forward, the goal for the Digital Agency of the Year goes to Wonderman Thompson, and we have Mr. Subroyati Roy, SVP and Executive Planning Director, to accept the award and say some few words.
Hi, Angad. Hello,
Hello.
everyone. Hi.
Can you switch on your camera, Mr. Roy?
It's on.
It's on, okay.
Can you guys see me? I can see myself in the thumbnail.
Yeah, I can see you now. Yes, go
Hi.
on, please. Thank
Hi.
you.
Thank you so much. First of all, I think I'd like to just wish all of you and your families good health. Please take care and stay safe, all of us. The hashtag or the word which has trended most perhaps over last year has been unprecedented, right? And it has been something which we've never been prepared for. There has been no rule book. And one thing is sure that it has created huge digital transformation. We are more connected, and digital has been the way to get the world moving, and everybody's lent back on it. So to that end, we are really humbled, we are honored, and we are extremely happy. And I am here on behalf of the whole team and my clients to receive this. Thank you, IMI, for this. And but one thing we're really thankful for, and which wouldn't have been possible if our clients hadn't pushed us and also wanted work which was relevant during COVID times. So some of them, hopefully, which we've shared with you guys, so you'd see that, we wanted to do something, use the medium to, help create awareness and social causes. And and thank you so much for this acknowledgement.
Congratulations, Mr. Roy, to you and the team. And I think you beautifully shared how teamwork makes the dream work. So congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all of our attendees, let me inform you that with that, we come to the end of one of the category, which is the special awards. And it's interesting to see how some of the leaders have come forward to share what really went through in, sort of winning these awards, and how the team has come together to, sort of make it possible. With that, let me also inform you, we are now marching on to our next category for the evening. So let's have the next category as well. This particular category will have certain subcategories as well for all of you. So we're now moving on to Digital Advertising Awards, and our partner for the Digital Advertising Awards is Trell. So yes, with that, let's begin with our next category. And in the next category, let's begin with our first subcategory for the evening. So ladies and gentlemen, our first subcategory is Best App Game Used for Marketing. Now, I think I can admit one thing is that thanks to COVID, I actually became more aware of so many games and so many more apps. So I think it's time to find out the best app game used for marketing. We're going to announce the bronze, the silver, and the gold winners. So let's take a look. Here we go. That's right. In this category of Best App Game Used for Marketing, our bronze winner is Tata Motors by What Consult. So the campaign being Safety First Ludo. Silver, of course, being bagged by Citibank India by Publicis. And this was for the entry that was cricket gamification for cards acquisition along with preference performance. And the gold goes to Flipkart Internet for their entry, which is OK Flipkart, deliver exponential results. So there you go, the bronze, silver, and the gold winners in the best app game used for marketing. So mighty congratulations to all the teams. With that, let's now quickly move on to our next subcategory as well, which is, here we go, the best brand awareness campaign using mobile. Now, let me inform you, attendees, we will be going back to back with the subcategories and the winners. So with that, all eyes on the screen, please. Here we go, and here are the winners in this subcategory. Okay, so here we go. The bronze has been won by ENIL for the Gulf Oil lubricants for Gulf Oil Jamura Tesan. Silver goes to Hive Minds for their entry. Domino's introduces zero contact delivery in India. And the gold goes to Wonderman Thompson for the Pepsi upends age-old assumptions about singlehood on Valentine's Day. So the campaign that they created for PepsiCo India, Wonderman Thompson wins the gold in the category, in the subcategory of Best Brand Awareness Campaign using mobile. So congratulations once again to all the teams for winning the bronze, silver, and gold awards respectively. With that, over to you, Angad.
Thank you, Kavya. It's a little sad that all those years when I was single during Valentine's Day, we never had a campaign about us. And now that I've been married, the campaign for singlehood wins the gold. Let's move forward to our next subcategory, which is the best data-driven marketing strategy. And the award winners are: bronze goes to Tata Consumer Product by 197 Communication for Tata Tea Premium. Silver is being won by Johnson & Johnson by Interactive Avenues for Johnson Baby, helping moms shows the best in baby care. And the gold is won by Affle India for Games 24x7 in association with Affle's mass platform. A big congratulations to all the winners. Moving on to the next subcategory. It is the best digital integrated campaign. And the winners are: in the bronze category, we have Motilal Oswal Financial Services for Think Quality, Think Equity, Think Motilal Oswal. For silver, we have Publicis Media Performance for HDFC Bank Festive Treats 2020. And finally, the gold is being won by India First Life Insurance for their Cover Kuali. So that's quite an interesting entry name. And I would like to say that all these three organizations already have my money. So I'm glad to see that they are winning awards as well.
All right.
Over to Kavya for the next set of awards.
All right, it's getting even more interesting here with the categories and with the winners. So on that note, let's have all our eyes on screen once again for our next subcategory. Here we go. The next subcategory is the best display campaign. And it's time to also announce our winners in this particular category. Here we go. The bronze is won by Flipkart Internet for, once again, for the campaign OK Flipkart Deliver Exponential Results. I think they managed to deliver because they won the bronze as well. The silver goes to Yes Bank. Zimmedari se tayari, Yes Bank, yes it is. And the gold goes to Jubilant Foodworks Limited, Domino's India by Hive Minds. Domino's introduces zero contact delivery in India. I have to admit one thing for sure is the entire of last year, I have been literally hogging a lot of Domino's, especially because of this particular feature called zero contact delivery. So I think the message was very well passed. Customer testimonial coming up right here. But on that note, congratulations to all the teams. And let's now move on to the next subcategory. Here we go. Best email marketing campaign. Time to take a look at the winners in this particular subcategory. The bronze, ladies and gentlemen, is going to iCube's Wire for their campaign, first in the industry personalized fare drop discount emailer campaign that was made for Indigo, Interglobe Aviation. The silver goes to Myram Digital, and this was for the campaign Sovereign Gold Bond emailer campaign created for Geojit Financial Services. And the gold goes to Rage Communications for the campaign Nor Brown Sauces and Intense Flavors launch for Unilever Food Solutions. So I think we've had some very tasty set of winners over here in this particular subcategory. Mighty congratulations to the bronze, the silver, and the gold winners. Congratulations once again. With that, Angad, over to you.
I was about to say that I'm actually started feeling hungry while announcing these awards. You said Domino's twice and you want to order. That's the truth. And
True.
also, I think the best email marketing campaign, that's the toughest category since Gmail started that promotion tab. So kudos to everybody who has still been able to achieve success through email marketing. But let's move on. Let's move on to our next subcategory, which is the best execution of performance campaign. And the winner in these categories are the bronze has been won by Zimbabwe by Affle India for their association with Refx platform. The silver is won by Credit B by InMobi for Credit B bringing dreams to life. And finally, the gold has been won by PNG by Value First Digital Media for PNG iTrial Digital Sampling by Value First. So big congratulations to all the winners. And moving on to the next category, which is the best lead generation campaign through mobile. So even the categories are becoming more and more specific. Let's have a look at all the winners in this category. The bronze is won by Merisho by InMobile. For Meesho empowers women to start their business with zero investment. The silver is again won by Affle India for their campaign for Zimbabwe in association with Affle Refx platform. And gold is won by Credit B by InMobi for Credit B bringing dreams to life. So congratulations to Affle India and InMobi for taking all the awards in the last two categories. They're like Yashraj and Dharma Productions right now, where they're winning everything. Over to you, Kavya.
All right. So looks like I'm going to have a lot of fun with all the add-on subtext flowing in there, Angad. Thank you so much. And yes, indeed, with that, let's quickly move on to our next subcategory. I just hope all our attendees are also absolutely attentive to what's happening because it's time for the best messaging campaign. Okay, let's also pass on the message as to who the winners are. Let's find out. Best messaging campaign, and here we go. All right, so we don't have a bronze winner. We're directly aiming at the silver winner, and it's won by Connect. So congratulations to Team Connect. This was for the campaign Mat Kar Forward for TikTok India. Okay, very interesting there. And gold goes to Wonderman Thompson again. And this was for a fantastic campaign they created, which is getting India to smile with Lays for PepsiCo. I think I still remember how I grabbed a packet of Lays and I just kept smiling because, hey, there's a smiley right up there. I think that was the best smiley ever.
Yep. True.
Right? Awesome. Great. So congratulations.
I feel that campaign is great during Indian wedding season. It's just you should give it to the bride and the groom and save them hours of smiling.
I think that's a fabulous idea.
Yeah, I'm a marketing genius, Kavya. It's just that nobody has discovered me yet.
We will pass on that message right away. Superb. So congratulations to Connect and to Wonderman Thompson as well. Let's now move on to our next subcategory very quickly. Here we go. Right up there on the screen for all of you, maybe on your mobile screen, maybe on your laptop screen, but this is the best mobile search campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at our winners in the subcategory. Let's have them on the screen as well. Best mobile search campaign, and the bronze goes to Hive Minds. This is for the campaign using mobile search to align with changing preferences of online grocery buyers for Big Basket. And I think Big Basket really managed to pivot during the entire COVID phase with all of us going completely online. So I think that was an amazing campaign there. Congratulations to Hive Minds. Let's also move on to congratulating Denso Aegis winning the silver. This is for IndusInd Bank leverages discovery ads to drive savings account openings. So congratulations to the team. And the gold goes to Ad Global 360 for MSIL mobile search campaign. This is for Maruti Suzuki India by Hakuhodo Sync. So yes, congratulations to all the teams so far for a very, very interesting category there, which is the best mobile search campaign. With that, over to you, Angad.
All right, thank you, Kavya. Moving on. Our next subcategory is the best omni-challenge campaign management and marketing automation. And the winner in these categories are, we have two bronze. So it's clearly a long category name allowed a lot of people to win the awards as well. The bronze is being shared by two organizations. So first is India First Life Insurance for their Cover Kawali, as well as by Single Interface for Lifestyle. The silver is won by Affle India for Zimbabwe in association with their RevX platform. And gold is won again by Affle India for Games 24/7 in association with their MAAS platform. So Affle India is clearly killing it. Moving on to our next subcategory, which is the best search marketing campaign. So let's search who our winners in this category are. Okay, we have 3 right now. We have bronze is won by Social Panga. I love the name, for Tata Health SEO performance. Silver is won by AdLift Marketing for car health insurance. And finally, the gold is won by AdLift Marketing for Titan Eye Plus. So AdLift and Affle India clearly winning gold, silver. I hope they're not thinking कि bronze भी हमें मिल जाता, but they should be happy with gold and silver at least. Over to you, Kavya.
That's so true, Angad, because had it been like a physical event, I think we would have seen the trophies stacked up on the cluster table, and we can clearly count and say, oh, this table is winning more, this table is also winning, stuff like that. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we're now marching ahead to our next subcategory, and let's take a look what's in store for all of you at the IDA, the 11th edition here. Our next subcategory is the best use of AR, VR in a marketing campaign. Okay, this is going to be interesting. I can't wait to find out the winners myself. Let's take a look at the winners in this particular subcategory. And the winners are... The bronze goes to, again, for this is for Maruti Suzuki India. This is the Facebook AR Blink Rotate Zoom experience. I think this was a very interesting campaign in order to explore the all-new Vitara Brezza. So this was by Hakuhodo Singh. So yes, congratulations there. Silver goes to Affinity Global Advertising for Dell G515 gaming laptop. And the gold goes to Affinity Global Advertising, of course, this time for Philips Hue, that being the entry for Signify Innovations India. So congratulations to all the teams for being absolutely tech-driven and driving technology in terms of your marketing campaigns. Congratulations. Let's move on to our next subcategory. Our next subcategory for the evening is best use of native advertising. All right. Everybody, all eyes on the screen. You've taken a good look at the subcategory. Now let's take a good look at the winners in the subcategory. Best use of native advertising. The bronze goes to Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, Amul, for their campaign, World's Largest Consumer Connect program with food hospitality industry through Facebook Live by Amul. So mighty congratulations to the pioneering team. I think Amul has always been one of our favorites, even as consumers. In fact, fun fact, I just ate some good Amul cheese just before starting this program. It's been an all-time fave. All right. And the silver goes to Affle India again, and this time, once again, for Zivame in association with Affle's RevX platform. We have 2 silvers, so let's also acknowledge our next silver winner, Flipkart Internet. Congratulations once again for OK, Flipkart deliver exponential results. And the gold goes to the team Affle India, and this time Games 24/7 in association with Affle's mouse platform. So mighty congratulations once again to all the teams, and beautiful work out there in the terms of the campaigns and the work done. So congratulations.
I think Kavya, if this event was happening live, Affle India probably would have to book like a tempo to take all the awards back.
I won't be surprised, you're right.
Collecting so many awards. But we are down to the last 3 subcategories within this category. So moving on, the third last subcategory is the best viral marketing campaign. The buzzword that everybody loves, viral hona chahiye. Let's look at the winners within this subcategory. We have 3 winners. Bronze goes to Fevicol by Shebang. Silver goes to PepsiCo India by Wonderman Thompson for their campaign, How India Celebrated Being Single on Valentine's Day. Again, dar dete hue, thank you. And gold goes again to PepsiCo India by Wonderman Thompson for how Pepsi brought back Salam Namaste into pop culture with swag. So that it's important. I didn't bring it back just like anyway. It is with swag that it has come back. A big round of applause for to Wonderman Thompson and their entire team. Moving on, our second last subcategory is online interactive marketing. And let's look at our list of winners within this subcategory. They are bronze by Kingfisher by InMobi for their campaign Kingfisher #StayAtHome. Silver is won by Viacom 18 Digital Venture for the Big Boss 13 Asli Fans integrated campaign. So I can claim to have credited to this victory, guys. I am using your integrated campaign. I'm the fan. And the gold is won by Kia Motors India, by InOcean Worldwide India, and InMobi for Kia Sonet voice-enabled campaign. So a big round of applause to all the winners, and over to you, Kavya.
Thank you, Angad. Looks like you and I have been really good customers of all these campaigns. And speaking from like first-hand experience, when we see them winning, it's amazing.
Yes, true.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me inform you, this is the final category in the first category that we're talking about, the final subcategory, rather. Let's take a look at our next subcategory, which is online video. I have to admit one thing. Over the years, we've been talking about the 3 Vs, the voice, the video, and the vernacular. And the way video completely exploded, especially in the last year, the 2020, I think it's fascinating. So I can't wait to see our winners in the subcategory online video. Let's take a look. And the winners are, the bronze goes to InMobi. This is for Mondelez helps Cadbury lovers unlock a sweet surprise. So congratulations to InMobi and to Cadbury Mondelez as well. Silver goes to PhonePe. This is for Unstoppable India. And the gold goes to Volkswagen India for the Little Burglar Volkswagen. I can totally see this happening because 2020, when I got to see these set of campaigns online as well, it was unmatchable. It was amazing. So congratulations to all the winners here for winning in the subcategory online video. With that, let's now move on to our next category. It's time for our next category altogether. All these were subcategories under the first category of the evening. It's time for our next category we are about to announce, which is the Digital Content Awards. I hope all of you are all set. That's right. We're moving on to the third category for the evening, Digital Content Awards. Now, the first subcategory, let's take a look. The first subcategory is the best B2B content campaign. Time to take a look at the winners of the best B2B content campaign. And the bronze goes to Automation Anywhere for their campaign Automation Masterclass. Silver goes to ITW Playworks for the campaign Taiyar Hai Hum. This is for PSI Global Solutions Private Limited. And the gold is backed by PhD Media. This is for the Build and Grow series, HSBC Commercial Banking, for HSBC, of course. So congratulations for creating some really kick-ass B2B content campaigns there. Congratulations to all the teams. Let's now move on to our next subcategory for all of you. Time to take a look what our next subcategory is. And this is again B2C content campaign. We took a look at the B2B. It's time for the B2C content campaign. Very quickly, let's find out the winners as well in the subcategory. B2C content campaign, ladies and gentlemen, and the bronze goes to Connect. This is for the campaign created for HDFC Bank, the campaign being add an ad. Okay. I love the play of words here. The wordplay is either tongue twisting for me, but it's absolutely amazing. Ad. Angad, I think that is kind of tongue twisting, but really cool.
Yeah. I was just checking it again and again. Was there a spelling mistake? What really happened? But yeah, it was quite a tongue twister.
That's right. But a good one there, bronze winner. Let's now move on to the silver winner, which is Webbins India. This is for the campaign created Ab Dandruff Hatao. This was done for Himalaya Hair Care. So congratulations to the team. And time to also announce the gold winner. The gold goes to Ford India. This is for the campaign Discover More with Poetry. Mighty congratulations to all the teams in this subcategory. And with that, Angad, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Kavya. Let's move on to our next subcategory, which is the best brand influencer collaboration. I would like to remind all the brands that I'm an influencer. Please contact me so that next time my collaboration is among the categories that actually win. But let's look at this year's winner for the best brand influencer collaboration. We have 4 winners in this one. The bronze goes to What Consult for their activity Up Cricket Buzzega for Crick Buzz. I think that's quite a good pun. Silver is won by Wonderman Thompson for the PepsiCo India campaign, The Ultimate Bachelor, Uppen's age-old assumption about singlehood on Valentine's Day. Thank you again. The gold is jointly shared by Digital Street LLP for ITC Limited for the campaign for Dark Fantasy, hashtag a lot can happen inside. And also won by 21 and 78E Creative Labs for the campaign for Safe Spaces for Wellspun Global. So a big round of applause for all the winners. Moving on to our next set of subcategory is the best use of mobile for content marketing. And the winners in this subcategory are: bronze is won by Wonderman Thompson for how India rediscovered Salam Namaste with swag during COVID. Silver is won by Maruti Suzuki India for the campaign of new 2020 Desire facelift launch. The campaign was run by Hagudo Singh. And gold is won by Bobble AI for United Breweries for Kya Plan Hai. This I remember was run, I think, during IPL with Gale and Chahal and everybody saying Kya Plan Hai, Kya Plan Hai, and the plan eventually was United Breweries. So great campaign, being remembered 3 months later as well.
Wonderful, wonderful indeed. In fact, I think some very interesting campaigns, that are still in our minds, over these months. So wonderful there. Okay, time to quickly march ahead to our next subcategory. Let's take a look what's in store for our attendees. We're talking about the best use of real-time streaming. Interesting subcategory, and time for the winners. So best use of real-time streaming, and the bronze goes to Kinect. This is for Live From Home campaign by Asian Paints. Very, very important campaign there, because we were practically not just working from home, working for home as well, which is why we were living from home. Everything had to be beautiful and bright. So kudos there, beautiful campaign. Silver goes to Moving Pixels, and this is for the campaign Sangeet Setu, the bridge that connected a billion hearts. This was for ISRA ISRA, another beautiful campaign there. And the gold, of course, goes to the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, Amul, for their entry. Once again, this was done, in fact, through a Facebook Live by Amul. So the entire largest consumer connect program with food hospitality industry. Beautifully done there. And congratulations to all the teams. And with that, let's also go on to our next subcategory. Here we go. The next subcategory for the evening, and this is the best user-generated content that was used for campaign. I think it's also interesting to see the kind of entries that we managed to get for this subcategory. But with that, let's quickly find out the winners in this subcategory. And the winners are: the bronze goes to the Digital Street LLP. This was for the campaign Vival, hashtag Voice of Art by ITC. The silver again goes to Amul for their award-winning campaign, which we're talking about, world's largest consumer connect program with food hospitality industry through Facebook Live. And the gold goes to, once again, Wonderman Thompson, how Pepsi and the swag generation revived Salam Namaste as the right way to greet during COVID. This was for the campaign for PepsiCo. So congratulations once again to all the winners. Now, while we do congratulate, let me take quickly 5 seconds to also inform all the winners. If you get to see all this, please don't forget to click the photographs of the screen and keep tweeting using hashtag IDA2021. That's right. We see a hashtag winning over here. Let's also keep another hashtag trending for all of us for this evening. Use the hashtag IDA2021. Over to you, Angad.
Thank you so much, Kavya. Did you see a lot of different videos of how people were greeting during COVID? I think my favorite was where people were doing, instead of handshake, they were doing leg shakes with each other. So innovative things that we see in our daily lives. Moving on to the last two subcategories within this category. The second last subcategory is the in-house content campaign. And the winners within in-house content campaign are: the bronze is being won by ITC 6 Cents for the Be Natural food beverage Hum Honge Kamyab Har Din. Silver is won by Ixigo for their campaign Project Cover All, a public awareness campaign on safe travel. And gold is backed by New Emerging World of Journalism Private Limited for the New J Munchies. Moving on to our last category within this Digital Content Awards. We have the last category is the most consistent excellence in digital publishing. And the winners within this subcategories are: bronze is won by Royal Enfield for their campaign A Trip Story Riding Through the Lockdown. Silver is won by Angel Broking by Curious for Angel Academy. And gold is again won by New Emerging World of Journalism Private Limited for New Jade Daily Publishing. I feel whenever I get categories, the gold is won by the same organization. I feel I am the good luck charm. So people should wait for me. Because they're like, एक में gold जीते तो अंगद दूसरे में भी जितवा देगा, guys. With that, we come to the end of our category number 3, and fourth category will be introduced by Kavya.
Thank you again, Angad. But you know what? I think that's a very nice observation you made. It's actually true. And I also concur with it. Okay, with that, after the Digital Content Awards, we're now moving on to the Social Media Awards. Okay, I really love this. You know, anything to do with social media. Angad, what's your favorite social media platform, if I may ask?
LinkedIn.
Oh, very interesting. In fact, we do have some of the subcategories across all these favorite social media platforms. Mine, of course, being always Instagram and then LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn has really, sort of, it's amazing how stories have started, being shared on LinkedIn as well. So yeah. I totally agree.
Yeah, I discovered very late that LinkedIn is a social media platform. Like, I didn't discover it earlier. Like, I feel people in our field didn't understand, and suddenly we were like, "Arey, LinkedIn? What happened to you, buddy? How did you change so much?"
You're right. In fact, as artists, we always felt that maybe, hey, you know what, Facebook and Instagram make sense. But it's only last year that I activated my account in 2009. And again, I saw its face in 2020. But yes, more power to all these social media platforms. I mean, it's amazing how the stories are going forward. So with that, let's go on to our next category. Dive into the first subcategory in this. Here we go. The first subcategory that we're talking about is the best social influencer campaign. You know, now if you say influencer, I'll only think of Angad.
Yes. See? Such a big recall value.
All right. So while Angad will be more on the individual side, let's actually now take a look at the campaigns that are winning in the best social influencer campaign. Here we go. The bronze winner. Let's take a look at the bronze winner. And the bronze winner is Wonderman Thompson. This is again for the PepsiCo India campaign that they've created, which of course has won quite a few awards in our previous categories as well. And they continue to win. So congratulations. Silver is won by Kinect. This is again for ad for HDFC Bank. And the gold goes their entry, which is Facebook Social for Good Liveathon. This was a very, very interesting campaign that I witnessed as well. And I must say the way it was executed and the way the numbers turned up and the kind of, I would say the kind of audience interaction that took place was superb. So congratulations to the team for Facebook Social for Good Liveathon as well. With that, moving on to the next subcategory. Here we go. Let's have it on the screen for all of you. Best use of Facebook. I think I can already make a guess who's winning this because I kept talking about Facebook Live. Let me see if I'm right. Let's reveal the winners for our attendees here. The bronze goes to Rage Communications. The bronze goes to Rage Communications. This was for the social media management for Campbell's ANZ. Silver goes to Aditya Birla Health Insurance. This was for the campaign Health from Home. And the gold goes to Amul, the Taste of India. Yes, Amul it is. This was for the Facebook Live that they did a program with the food hospitality industry. So once again, congratulations for keeping all our Facebook absolutely interactive and engaging. So congratulations to all the teams. With that, Angad, over to you again.
Yes, the next category is obviously your favorite platform has to come to me, Kavya. So the next category is the best use of Instagram. And let's look at all the winners in that category. The bronze is won by Woot Select Viacom 18 Digital Ventures by BC Webwise for Your Dark Side. Silver is won by Digital Street LLP for their campaign Vivel #Voice of Art. And gold is won by Kinect for Ad. So clearly we have to go back and look at these campaigns which have completely blown apart on Instagram. Let's move on to our next subcategory is my favorite social media platform, which is the best use of LinkedIn. So let's have a look at all the winners for best use of LinkedIn in social media awards. We have only 2 winners in this. Silver is won by Arena Education Services for the campaign Talent Edge LinkedIn campaign. And the gold is won by Great Learning Her Fresh Start. Quite an interesting name for Her Fresh Start. Big congratulations to all the winners.
Okay, congratulations indeed. And now we will get you all to move from LinkedIn to Twitter. Okay. With that, I hope all of you are equally going ahead and tweeting. This is the right time for me to plug in, saying that please keep the tweets coming using hashtag IDA2021. If you're also enjoying Angad and me, that is Kavya, our interaction, don't forget to tweet. Silent plug-in. Not so silent. All right. So with that, let's actually find out these campaigns that have made the best use of Twitter, not just generating leads, but also sort of, reaching across in terms of their communication to all the Twitter users, to all the users. In fact, time to take a look at the winners. Best use of Twitter. Here we go. The bronze goes to State Bank of India. Oh, yes, this is for the Yoga Day campaign. Congratulations. A very beautifully executed campaign there. And the silver goes to Innocent Worldwide India. This is for the Kia Motors campaign that they created, which is the Kia Sonet World Premier Heart to Remind campaign. I could also see how on Twitter, they literally had the images, plowed in so beautifully, to ensure that there is that user recall factor. Very well done indeed. And the gold goes to Paytm 197 Communications for hashtag Binod. Angad, if I could say the word trending, I could only think of Binod. What do you think?
Oh God. How many comments I've got of Binod? And the first 3 days I was like, ye kaun hai Binod? Who is this person who has entered my life without letting me know? But such a great story and such a great use of what's happening on the internet to actually use it in a campaign. It's great. Absolutely deserving of that gold.
Beautiful indeed. So congratulations to the campaigns and to all the teams that have created these campaigns. Now we move on to another trending platform, which is YouTube. If you're all ready, let's take a look. We're talking about the best use of YouTube. And I am super eager to also take a look at the campaigns that are winning in best use of YouTube. Here we go. So the bronze goes to What Consult, and this is for the campaign Care Will Overcome, the global anthem of hope. This was created for Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Congratulations, team. And the silver goes to Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India by ESP Films. And they created a very interesting virtual launch in the month of September. So congratulations to the team of ESP Films. And let's drive now across to find out the gold. The gold, of course, on the screen for all of you. This is won by Foxy Moron. And this was Hershey's hashtag Happy at Home campaign for the Hershey Company. Hershey's, we've spoken about so much food on that. Hershey's, oh my God, I can instantly think of the dark chocolate. But congratulations to all the teams there, creating some fabulous campaigns on YouTube. Kudos to all of you. With that, we're now moving on to, in fact, our next category altogether. So Angad, I'm going to hand it over to you.
Yes, we are moving on to our fifth category. That was the end of Social Media Awards. And our next category is Digital, Social, and Economic Empowerment Awards. So let's look at the first subcategory within this category, which is the best use of internet for social and economic development. So quite an interesting category. And let's look at the campaigns that have delivered the best performance during this. We have only one winner in this, which is HiveMind's Innovative Market Solutions for their campaign using digital to reach 11 million people, resulting in 50K donors to feed COVID hit communities. So I feel that's a great campaign and great to see such a campaign winning this category. Let's move on to our next subcategory, which is the best use of mobile for social and economic development. And the winner in this category is Perfetti Van Mail India by Grapes Digital for the campaign Happy Dent Sparkling Smiles. So category, the name campaign itself has smiles, right? It brings a smile while you say the word smile. So obviously there had to be a winner. Let's move on to the next subcategory, which is best use of technology to drive or execute CSR initiative. And the winner in this subcategory is Impact Guru Technology Ventures, impactguru.com. They have disrupted how healthcare is financed by helping patients fund medical expenses. I think all these campaigns had a big impact in the last 1 year, and it's really endearing to see them winning awards, truly deserving a big round of applause to all the winners. And with that, we come to the end of the digital, social, and economic category. Moving on to next category. Over to you, Kavya.
Thank you again, Angad. In fact, let me remind all our attendees that going forth, all the winners, we will in fact be having one winner announcement only. So it's no more the bronze, silver, gold. In fact, it's just going to be that one winner walking away with the trophy in the respective categories. So with that, let's brace ourselves and let's move on to the mobile and app awards, that being our next category altogether. And in this, let's move on to our next subcategory. We're talking about the best consumer mobile service. Okay. I really like this category. Ladies and gentlemen, undoubtedly, without any shadow of doubt, let's give it up to our winner, Jio, for their entry, My Jio, Gateway to Digital Life. Angad, what are your thoughts?
Jio has changed our life completely. Like,
Absolutely.
there is no doubt. I mean, the amount of views I am getting because of Jio, I'm just thankful to them and nothing else.
I agree. In fact, the way we are all able to connect with each other, even through these virtual platforms, I think we'll have to give it to Jio. And it's absolutely fascinating. Best consumer mobile service. Congratulations once again to Jio. Okay, let's now move on to our next subcategory. We're talking about the best enterprise product or service. Ladies and gentlemen, we've taken a good look at the subcategory. Time to find out the winner. And the winner in this subcategory is Tata Consultancy Services for the campaign Empowering Leadership with Real-Time Insights for Intelligent Governance through TCS Digital Enterprise Governance Suite. So congratulations indeed to TCS for always being so pioneering, leading from the front. So mighty congratulations to you and the entire team. Moving on, we are now talking about another interesting subcategory. Let's have it on the screen for all of our attendees as well. We're talking about the best innovative mobile app. In the countless apps that literally bombarded in our face over the last few years, and especially last year, I think it's time to take a look as to which mobile app actually managed to harp in that innovation. Let's take a look at our winner. And the winner is Mitro TV for Mitro TV. So yes, Mitro, I think, Angad, I remember one person when I say the word Mitro.
Yes. We all remember the one person only. We can't remember anybody else.
But yes, indeed, congratulations for actually creating something really innovative, and congratulations to Mitro TV. Okay, moving on to our next subcategory, we're talking about the best innovative startup app. The last few years with India going digital, it's been about startups, but very few startups have managed not just scale, but also actually gather that kind of attention from the consumers and from the audience. Time to find out the winner. Here we go. And the winner of the most innovative startup app is Zohop Technologies. This is for Chalo app. I can actually say it as Chalo app.
Yes.
Henna?
Hindi autocorrect would have made it Chalo aap for sure if there was Hindi autocorrect. Yes.
But it's again a beautiful wordplay there. Chalo app. Yeah. That is, come on, let's go for it. So yes, congratulations to Zohop Technologies for that innovative startup app award in this particular subcategory. With that, we come to the end of the mobile and app awards. So that means, Angad, over to you.
Yes, we are finally down to our last two categories. We have already, I think, given out 100 awards. So Kavya and I deserve an award for this itself. So we'll happily accept if anybody is willing to sell it. Send it to us, please. IAMI, are you listening? No? Okay. All right. Our next category is the Payment and FinTech Awards. And obviously, when you're spending so much time on digital, you have to pay someplace. And even though it's the worst advertisement, but I think the web series Scam 1992 really engaged people. Ki, Arey, finance, what can be done, what cannot be done? People suddenly think, oh, you can invest and be wise and reach somewhere. So let's look at the first subcategory in this category. And the first subcategory is Best FinTech and Bank Collaboration. Interesting. So let's look at the winners in Best FinTech and Bank Collaboration. The winner is PayPoint for their innovative banking services during floods. So there's nothing we can say. I mean, that's really a great campaign that they have done, that during floods, they ensured that people still had banking services available to them. So hats off to PayPoint. Moving on to the next subcategory is the best fintech growth story. And the winner for the best fintech is Paytm. Obviously, Paytm. We already saw their hashtag Binod, and the way they have reached our homes and the fight that they are fighting with the big corporates trying to say, let's go more local. It's amazing to see. And over to you, Kavya.
Thank you, Angad, and very well said, actually. With that, we'll now move on to our next subcategory. We're talking about the best use of technology in fintech. I can say this with absolute surety that, especially in the last year, one thing that we all notice is that the technologies were always there next to us, but it took a COVID for all of us to actually adapt to it.
Yeah,
it's amazing, how sometimes a necessity allows you to, sort of adapt and adopt new things. So with that, let's take a look at best use of technology in fintech. And the winner in this subcategory is Lyra Network. This is for the Lyra last mile connectivity solution for rural India. And I think that's absolutely commendable, looking at how they managed to connect India and the Bharat, with the Lyra Network. So congratulations to the entire team. Let's now move on to the next subcategory. We're talking about the excellence in business lending. Another very important term that actually came into the minds of us as consumers, as people. So let's take a look at excellence in business lending and let's find out the winner. And the winner is Minions Ventures Credits. This is for their entry credits. So Minion Ventures, we got to congratulate you as well. So congratulations to the entire team for, sort of chasing that excellence in business lending. With that, back to you, Angad.
Yes, from business lending, we'll go into the next subcategory, which is excellence in consumer lending. हम consumers का भी थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए. And the winner in this consumer lending is Paisabazaar.com for ushering a new era of digitized lending. Paisabazaar has clearly revolutionized the entire idea of consumer lending. So I'm not surprised to see them winning the award. A big round of applause for them, and big congratulations to the team as well. Moving on, the next subcategory is excellence in insurance, and the award goes to Aditya Birla Health Insurance. Yes, I have every insurance possible that you guys have. I have taken it, guys. My car insurance, my health insurance, my accident insurance, and I think I have 2 more insurances from Aditya Birla Health Insurance, and I love their digital platform. The best fact is that they remind us properly कि भाई डाल लो, टाइम खत्म हो रहा है प्रीमियम का, प्लीज. Over to you, Kavya.
Thank you, Angad. In fact, I must admit, I really appreciate when they remind, because
because we will forget. My mom remembers, like, she would have all those dates on fridge in order to not forget her premium, and I'm like, Mom, these are old school techniques. You will get SMS reminders, don't worry.
Oh, yes. I managed to get a lot of reminders last year, so for the right reasons. But yes, let's now move on from insurance. We're talking about excellence in payments. That's, in fact, our next subcategory. And let's actually find out who's the winner in this subcategory. Our winner is Bharat Pay. Resilient Innovations, they've been enabling payments for millions of merchants, and it's not a surprise to see how Bharat Pay actually stepped up in terms of the, chasing that excellence in payments, the way they've sort of created that merchant, the ease for the merchants rather. So congratulations to the entire team at Resilient Innovations. And with that, let's now move on to our next subcategory. We're talking about wealth management. We are actually focusing on the health of wealth over here. This is a very nice category, actually.
I'm just about to say that someday I'll have wealth to be managed by other people. I'm waiting for that day.
Touche. Well, yes, attendees, excellence in wealth management. Let's find out who's walking away with the trophy in this subcategory. And the winner is without a shadow of doubt. It's PhonePe, helping customers build long-term wealth via investments in mutual funds. I think that was a very interesting category that PhonePe introduced. The way they've managed to, me as a consumer for that matter, the way they've managed to get our investments across different streams, including mutual funds, and the way they've scaled that is beautiful. So congratulations to the entire team of PhonePe. Superb. So with that, while we come to the end of excellence and wealth management, it's time for our next subcategory. Angad, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Kavya. We are down to the last two awards in this payment and fintech awards. The last two, the second last one is most innovative digital bank. And let's see which bank gets this award. Which digital bank, I should say, gets this award. It's Open Financial Technologies. A big round of applause to them and congratulations to the entire team. Because digital bank is really the new buzzword, right? Every bank is thinking of going more digital than physical, and Open Financial has clearly come up on top for the last year. Moving on to the last subcategory, that is the most innovative RegTech solution. Let's look at our winner in this category. It's Cursor Technologies for their innovation in RegTech. So again, congratulations to them. I'm sorry, I have no idea what RegTech technology is, but I'm a stand-up comedian. I think you can excuse my ignorance. But now we are down, I think, to the final category, and over to you, Kavya.
Oh, yes, that's right. You know what? It's actually exciting how we started, and now we're actually almost down to the final category for the evening. I don't know if it would have been this fast in a physical avatar, because we would have waited for the winners to come, take the trophy, give their winning speech.
And the DJ would have blown the most loudest music possible on the walk and through the back. And you would have to every time indicate ki Baba, acha ho gaya. Let's announce the next person also.
The fanfare music, no?
Yeah.
You're right. Oh, yes. And okay, so it looks like right now, I think all your winning speeches, all the thank yous, it's all being done by Angad and me only. So you can also thank us. Great. So with that, after such fabulous set of categories put forth for the IDA, the India Digital Awards, it's time for our final category for the evening. And we're now focusing on the big technology awards. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll get started with our first subcategory. We're talking about the best digital API. With that, as you all know, time to directly find out the winner. Here we go. And the winner in best digital API is Pine Labs. Congratulations to Pine Labs for creating the POS app marketplace. So mighty congratulations to the entire team in the subcategory Best Digital API. With that, let's also move on to the next subcategory. We're talking about the best tech for advertising. Wow. This is going to be interesting to see who actually is going to be the winner, because I'm sure we would have received numerous entries for this subcategory. Let's find out who's walking away with the trophy. And the winner in Best Tech for Advertising is... It had to be the giant. It had to be Mahindra Truck and Bus. This is for the Mahindra Furio AR/VR. They created a very interesting campaign using the AR/VR technology, and I think the way they managed to get us as customers to view that, it's been pretty, I would say, path-breaking. In fact, I don't know, Angad, if you managed to take a look. I did take a look at Mahindra Furio, and I was having a blast experiencing the way they created it. So congratulations to the team in the subcategory of Best Tech for Advertising. We'll now move on from advertising to another interesting subcategory that's been driving our households, driving our life literally for the last year. This is the best tech for e-commerce. Oh my God, the way e-commerce has sprung up. Angad, I can see a lot of offline retail brands as well, the ones that are operating offline come online, in order to be omni-channel. It's crazy. Did you manage to do some shopping as well last year?
That's all we did. What else do you do? First of all, during lockdown, our sizes have expanded and contracted like anything. So with every expansion, I bought new pairs of clothes. That's my excuse.
You're so right about it. Yes, that's, I think we all made goals, but alagi goal ho gaya hum, to wo alag baat hai.
What a wordplay, Kavya.
Thank you. So with that, let's now bring the focus back to e-commerce. And here we're talking about the best tech that was created for e-commerce. And here let's find out the winner. The winner in the subcategory, and the winner is Enixta Innovations. And this is for their campaign, which is Smart Pulse means less confused customers. Wow. I love how that sounds. Smart Pulse means less confused customers, which was very important because there was absolute chaos happening with the e-commerce campaigns up there or the online websites. So congratulations once again to Enixta Innovations. And
Also, with the options in e-commerce, you get confused. So it's quite a clever thing to do. Yeah.
Yes, actually a very relevant thing to do. You're right. Yeah. Super. And now from e-commerce, okay, we will now move on to the next subcategory, which I'm sure a lot of households had to take care of. Oh my God, we're talking about the education sector. But Angad, did you ever hear like any of your friends, with the online education, everything going online, the classrooms, the lessons, everything? It's crazy, right?
Yeah, and then parents had to sit with the child in the classroom to ensure that the child studies.
वही तो
Yeah.
मतलब I think parents did not even look forward to this कि कभी मैं पढ़ूंगा कभी मैं पढ़ूंगी मतलब आएगा ऐसा दिन. No, now we'll sit with the kids as well. So it's interesting to see how education was completely revolutionized. But again, let's bring the focus back to the technology that was celebrated in the education sector. So best tech for education, and the winner is. Let's give it up for Infosys. And this is for the Infosys Wingspan Learning Platform. Congratulations. What can I say, Angad? I think it's a befitting name there, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And Infosys was the first organization ever to give me an offer letter. So I'm ever grateful to them for believing in me to even give me an offer letter. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's amazing. In fact, my last show was also for Infosys, which is why I managed to learn a little about this particular Infosys Wingspan Learning Platform. It's very innovative what they've actually created and quite path-breaking. So not a surprise, mighty congratulations. With that, while we're moving on to the next subcategory, Angad, over to you.
Yes, we're finally down to the last set of awards, guys. So if we focus on the screen. Next category is best tech for health. We were just talking about expanding. So let's look at which app won this award. And it's Healthify Me. Oh my God, I love Healthify Me. 2 weeks ago, all right. And the biggest thing in Healthify Me, so when you're dieting, is that you have to count your calories. I'm sorry, I'm just a fanboy right now. And for Indian food, you don't get apps which can actually tell you the different variations because everybody cooks food differently. In Healthify Me, I got curry chawal with pakoda ka calories and without pakoda ka calories. And so I ended up eating curry chawal without pakoda. So thank you, Healthify Me in my struggle to reduce weight. Congratulations, and a big fan. If you want any influencer activity, I'll do it for free. Please contact. All right, moving on to the next category. It's best UI and UX design, and the award in this particular category goes to AppTech for area animation and website revamp. Big congratulations to you and your team. Quickly moving on to the last 3 awards, and the next category is best use of AR, VR in gaming gamification. I think another industry which has really gained a lot of popularity during the last year has been the gaming industry. And even not your hardcore gaming, even simple games like Among Us, games like Fall Guys, which anybody, even a noob like me, can play, has really helped in. And I feel like that's the future, Kavya. It's a few years from now, you and I will be doing show through VR. People have their headset and they're just in front of them performing. That could be
you are a visionary. In fact, I think I'll start preparing for that day.
All right, let's look at the winner in this category. It's Kingfisher by InMobi for their campaign Kingfisher #StayAtHome. So congratulations, team, InMobi team. Moving on to the second last. We're down to the last 2 award, guys. So second last award is for best use of bots, chat and voice. This basically category ensures that you don't have to chat with real people if you are a person who does not like to chat with real people. and the organization which has won this award is Nippon India Mutual Fund for their conversational commerce. I feel it's a great innovation. Whoever came up with bots for chat and voice, they actually 80% of your issues are solved by these chats. So Nippon India Mutual Fund has clearly done great work in the last 1 year. Congratulations, team. And down to the last category for the night, which is best use of emerging tech. And the award goes to for PaisaBazaar.com for analog to digital, making lending end-to-end digital through Paisabazaar Stack, an industry-first initiative. So clearly an innovative campaign. And Paisabazaar, I think this is the second award tonight in the last two categories. So congratulations, team. Over to you, Kavya.
Thank you, Angad. In fact, yes, with that, while we do come to the end, I must once again congratulate all the teams, all the people as well, all those who have won at the India Digital Awards, the 11th edition. And Angad, I must actually admit that it's a very different style of hosting, when we are co-hosting together here on the screen than on the stage. But I must also thank all our attendees who have joined in, all those who have tuned in and enjoyed the show. And if you're still online, keep those tweets coming using hashtag IDA2021. Go ahead and put a screenshot of you and the team winning it. But Angad, any parting note, anything that you'd like to share before I completely close the program?
Nothing else. Also, a big congratulations to IAMAI for pulling this off in this year, doing everything obviously far away from people, getting all the entries in, going through all the jury members. So I think that was a Herculean task by the team, and they've managed to pull it off.
That's so true indeed. In fact, if I take maybe a minute to quickly share, over the last few years that I've been hosting the IDA, in fact, in a physical avatar, it was interesting to see how the audience would turn up with all the gung-ho attitude, all the laughter. But I should thank you, Angad, for actually, sort of cheering us up, adding that fun factor, and ensuring that we all have a mighty good time. So I'm also going to thank you, Angad, for joining in and for being. So yes, with that, while we do come thank you again. Ladies and gentlemen, all of our attendees, we come to the end of the 11th edition of the India Digital Awards. And once again, mighty congratulations to all the team. Congratulations to IAMAI, and congratulations to all those who worked hard, especially during the unprecedented time, and emerged winners over here, because I think it really takes such kind of celebration to remind us that, hey, you know what, we are on the right track and we are doing the right thing. So I think awards like these truly, truly celebrate, especially when it's coming from an esteemed organization like IAMAI. With that, I'm actually going to wrap up because it's almost 7:20. Looks like everybody wants to head to the kitchen. That's the only travel we are doing, commuting we're doing from the living room, studio room to kitchen to start cooking. So all of you, please grab your favorite cocktails, your beers and all, and you can all go ahead and say cheers to each other. And I'm going to say cheers to all of you. Cheers to Angad. With that, adios, good night, take care, and have a great week ahead.